home oven pizza, guys. Voila, take a look. Soft and crunchy in the same time. Guys, today we are going to learn 5 best tips to cook the pizza at home. Here today we are going to make it the perfect way to cook the pizza at home oven. Like you can see, no secret. Now it's time for you to watch until the end. Go ahead, subscribe, like and share, guys. It's totally free. Enjoy the first tip. Let's go. Here we are to show you the tips to make the best pizza at home. The oven has been warming up for about 30 minutes before cooking the pizza. But most of the time, you put the stone like this, on the bottom or in the middle, which is wrong. I always use the stone, and be careful to do this step because this is super important, but also helps cooking the pizza at a better way. Position the stone all the way on the top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix the oven on the broil at the max for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and let's cook the pizza and let's see how the bottom will come out. But before making the pizza, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's the next step. So let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. Okay guys, like you can see now the pizza is ready to go in the oven, but before putting the pizza in the oven, let's go ahead and grab the stone. Always be careful because it's gonna be super hot, and let's position exactly the pizza stone in the middle of the oven and put the oven as static and at the max temperature. Let me show you before putting the pizza the temperature of the stone that went up really well. So I'm gonna put it right there. See, it's 260 Celsius, which is perfect to cook the pizza. So let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Voila! Right away, close the oven and let's wait to part bake the pizza, and then I'm gonna put the ingredients. The pizza, it's ready. Ooh, let me see if it was cooked properly on the bottom. Voila, perfect. Let's add a little bit of basil before cutting the pizza, and this is the top. Nice, soft and crunchy in the same time. Look at this crust, it's perfection. But this tip is to see the bottom of the pizza. So let's see, let's check out if the trick there was good or not. You ready? And let's check it out, the bottom. It's nice and crispy, like you can see. This crispy and like a little burn dark side on the pizza. This is the part where there is the flavor of the pizza, like as you are in the pizza place. But now let's not waste the time and let's get second tip. Okay guys, this is the tip number 2, which is the ingredients. It's important how you prepare and what you use. I want to show you something. In this case, what I suggest to you, it's when you cook pizza at home, it's always the oven cooks super slow. So the secret to not make the pizza too soggy is to use the correct mozzarella. This mozzarella is a little bit too wet. So what I suggest to you is to use a mozzarella, which is this, but this is basically the scamorza. You're gonna ask the super dry mozzarella. So that's what we're gonna use for the pizza for home cook. Still have some milk, but it's dry, so you don't have to use the fresh mozzarella. If you're using the fresh mozzarella, I always suggest to cut it the night before and put it in the fridge in a drainer. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna cut this. I wanna show you how the pizza will come out. So, and this is the way to go. Let's cut the cheese, and a little bit I'm gonna prepare it and cook it and show you how it will come. Okay, the pizza, be careful, it's part baked. And now let's go ahead and let's put the cheese that I say. Okay, of course, a little bit olive oil on the crust. Let's put the mozzarella that I always suggest, voila, and let me show you how this will cook. Let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven and let's finish up to cook the pizza, voila. And now let's see how the pizza will become. Okay, like you can see guys, the pizza and the cheese that I put, it's perfect. Did you see, compared to the other pizza, the cheese stays put and is not soggy at all. It's perfect, not wet at all, and also the pizza, I show you right now, it stays perfect, voila. Let's go ahead to the next tip. At this point, you see the smoke? Let it smoke out, like that. When the smoke's finished, let's go ahead and let's put the olive oil on the crust, right there. Oil is on the crust to make the crust nice and gold. And now let's go ahead, let's put the cheese. Perfect. The cheese or whatever you want to put in the pizza, all the ingredients, whatever. Perfect. And now we did this because if you put everything inside the oven at one shot, the pizza will become too soggy because the home oven cooks super slow. The ingredients cooks much faster than the dough. So let's go ahead now, let's finish up to cook. Let me show you how the result is. Voila. Perfect. I didn't change any settings in the oven. Now we're just gonna wait that the mozzarella starts to bubbling and the pizza will be ready. Okay guys, the pizza, it's lovely, ready like I expected. Like you can see, perfect. And we have the perfect texture of the soft and crunchy. But let's see if it's soft and crunchy. Shh. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, perfect, really lovely, soft and crunchy. I mean, look at this texture of the home oven pizza. It's perfect. We're just gonna add a little bit of basil, like that. A little bit of olive oil on the whole pizza. And guys, I present you the perfect pizza made in the home oven. Better than a pizza place, I mean. Let's go ahead to the next tip. Okay guys, the tip number 4, it's just about the oven. Probably all you guys know this tip, but most of the people do big mistake. Like you can see, the pizza now is in the oven, but I want to talk to you about this tip. Let me take it out. To be able to make the pizza perfect and like this cook, you need to, it's super important to preheat the stone. So the oven right now is about 250 or 490 or something like that, 480 Fahrenheit, which is good to cook. It's decent to cook the pizza at home. But you imagine cooking the pizza without preheating the pizza oven. You're gonna wait for 10-15 minutes and the pizza will not cook. The perfect time to cook the pizza at home is about max 7 minutes. You don't want to pass that. If you be past that, the pizza will become not good at all, or too crunchy or too hard. You're gonna think, oh my god, I messed up something with the dough. Well, not. With this tip number 4, you're going to make a better pizza now. Let's go ahead and let's see the last tip of today. Okay guys, the last tip is super important for me, which is of course the oven at temperature, like we saw all the other tips, but most importantly for me is the more you keep the oven closed, the better when you cook the pizza. We want to have the pressure. If you have an oven like this one, you can just open the first door instead of open all doors. But this tip is about keeping the door closed as the most time as possible to have the pressure. You want the pizza with olives? Okay, I'm gonna put it right now, okay? Let's put this one there. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Okay. Okay, guys, again, right away, we're gonna put the pizza inside the oven and boom, close it right away. So that's what we're gonna do. In this case, I'm gonna open just my F and then let's go ahead and let's part bake the pizza. And then I'm gonna add the ingredients. So I'm gonna show you when I take it out and take it and put it back in. You see, I go fast. I saw some people doing a huge mistake, which is before getting the pizza, they open up the oven because they are scared. They open up the oven and then they go back, go get the pizza. And then they put it in and then they close it. In the meantime, the time frame will lose all the temperature inside the oven, the pressure, which is the thing that we need to cook the Neapolitan pizza, the perfect pizza. Okay guys, let me show you how we take it out right away from the oven. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go, fast. Get the pizza, get the pizza. Okay, piano, okay, good job. See, right away I close it. Let's put it right there on top. Okay, take it out, take it out. Okay, good job. So all the peel, the pizza is ready. That's where the smoke come out. And we're gonna go ahead and finish the pizza. Like you can see, the crust, it's nice and puffy. That's because we have the pressure in the oven. Let's go ahead and let's add the ingredients. In this case, fresh mozzarella. And now let's go ahead and let's put it back in the oven. Get it? Be careful, like this. Ok, piano. Come with me. Be careful, papà. Guarda la pizza. You're always gonna watch the pizza. Come here, come here. Come here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So right away, we're gonna go ahead and put the pizza in the oven, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Be careful. Take it out, take it out. Beautiful. Perfect. Give 5. All right, you did good. Give 5. All right. Is at this point, we're just gonna wait that the mozzarella starts to bubble on the pizza, and the pizza will be ready. Now it's time to get the pizza and let's show you the pressure if did the good job. Let's go ahead and let's take it out. Voila! Yes, yes. The perfection is right now. Like you can see here, this is the pizza. Like you can see, let's see the bottom, and it's soft and crunchy. The bottom of the pizza, it's lovely, nice, crispy, cooked. And now it's your turn to comment below which one was your best tip out of the 5. Go ahead, subscribe, share with friends, it's totally free, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you every week with new video. We are about to hit 1 million subscribers. Help and share.